Happy birthday to you, my little wife. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, look at Tyler face. He's wondering what the hell is going on.
So I got one try. If you lose, you don't eat the donut.
It's a birthday. It's a birthday, mama. It's a birthday. It's a You're turning up with mama for her birthday. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Guess what day it is? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Go.
It's my birthday. 28 never looked this good. So babe came home for lunch to see me today, even though he always do, and he decides to bring me home one of my all-time favorite sweet tooth cheat snack. Guess what it is?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. He done dream his chest a little donuts, but a big donuts. Happy birthday to you, my little wife. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, look at Tyler face. He's wondering what the hell is going on.
So I got one try. If you lose, you don't eat the donut.
So I gotta make a wish to blow my donut out. Okay, bring it low, bring it lower.
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Don't burn me, it's too close.
Close your eyes.
Yay! No, I need to bite my donut. No, I can't bite it yet because I love my donut warm. Who else eat cold donut? Not me. I love my donut warm, so thanks honey for my donut.
You're welcome. So some husband bring flowers, some others bring donuts.
And that's why I love him, because he knows that I love donuts and I wasn't expecting it. And I really appreciate my donut. Aww, thanks honey. He's so funny. Oh my god, that was a good one. So it's my birthday. I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary today. I took Tyler to the doctor this morning because he had a checkup ultrasound to do of something that they detected when he was just born. So we went for a follow-up for that. That went well. Yeah, so I'm just home chilling for the rest of the day with my baby while hubby's heading back to work now. And later he's just gonna take me out to dinner, and yeah, that should how my day goes today. So I'm 28 today, y'all. I'm 28 today, and I don't feel a day older. I feel like I'm 16. So yeah, catch you guys later. Bye.
Don't copy the donuts, it's not gonna work.
So he's heading back to work.
It's an advice. If you want to surprise your girlfriend or your wife, don't do that.
He's so funny. Ah, oh my god. At you. You guys, these are just some of my birthday gifts from the hubby. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. Not the pants is not a birthday gift from him. I have that pants for a while now, but the top, the shoes, and the bag, among some other clothes that I got from him. But I'm just showing you guys the shoes and the bag, which I'm not going to wear today, but I'm going to wear this top. I love this top, and I think I'm going to pair it with that white pants and these boots that Tyler is playing with. You love mommy shoes? You love mommy shoes? Yes? So I think I'm going to pair it with these. I think these are really cute. So I'm trying to figure out what to wear so you guys can come along and get ready with me for my birthday. I've been wanting one of these shoes for a while now, and I finally get one. And I've been wanting one of these bags for a while, so I finally got one of these bags from hubby. So thanks hubby, I love these. Oh, I'm also going to show you guys my gift from mommy. Let me show you guys what mommy got me. Yes baby, come papa. Let me show you these cute shoes that my mama got me. Mommy got me these shoes. How cute are they? You guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get myself ready and get Tyler ready. Yes boo boo. And get Tyler ready and wait until hubby gets home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay you guys, so I just finished my hair and my makeup. So this is the final look of my hair. I didn't get to do my hair last night, so I just decided to give it a updo. So I'm just doing the goddess braid today. And that's my makeup for today. I think I'm loving it. And that's my hair. So I just leave to put my clothes on and I'm almost ready. Okay you guys, so I'm all ready and waiting for hubby to get home, so hopefully I can show you guys what my final look looks like. So this is my top, which I love so much. Thanks to hubby for this top, and Tyler's matching me of course as usual. And like I showed you guys earlier, I decided to go with the white pants with this brown boots. And let's go out here to see if I can show you guys what my final look looks like. So this is my final look. Hey, I keep changing my lip color because I'm not sure which one I want to go with, but I think I'm gonna stick to this one. Can I tell you this is like 3 different lip color in one? I'm kind of crazy. Yes, you wanna say hello? Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna go downstairs and wait on hubby to get here. He should be here in any minute, and then we're gonna go have some dinner, right? Right? You excited? Yes. It's a birthday! It's a birthday, mama! It's a birthday! It's a... You turning up with mama for her birthday. You guys, we're on our way to dinner with my cute self. All bright colors and looking radiant. I'll be matching me. Look at his face as usual.
Hobby, focus.
Tyler wants to sleep because he didn't take his afternoon nap.
Good, so he can sleep at the restaurant
so
and leave us alone.
Oh. You're mean.
No, Tyler's the kind of boy that when you go to a restaurant, well, every time we went to the restaurant, usually he don't
never
fuss.
Sleep.
Yeah, but he don't fuss. He never
doesn't
sleep
fuss at all.
He never sleep. He's attracted by the food.
Oh, he loves food. But guess what? Guess what, honey? He's sleepy. I just got a little bit choked up. my sister sent me the cutest message ever on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram at @the_Dolavos and on Twitter at @the_Dolavos. This is what she wrote me on Instagram. She says, happy birthday to my ride or die. We have been holding it down for 28 years and counting. I'ma always have your back no matter what. Enjoy your day, honey. Aww. She makes me wanna cry so bad. I love you too, sissy boo. I miss her so much, you guys. You could never imagine. Can you imagine somebody who you grew up with all your life, you fight all your life, you have fun all your life with, you sleep with, you eat with, you drink with, and then after 20 what? 20 how much, honey? After 25 years you had to move away from that person? That's heartbreaking. And I still can't get over it until this day, but that's life. You have to just move on and build your own family and, you know, enjoy life to the fullest no matter what. He's driving.
Birthday girl.
So they just played me a birthday song and bring me a cake with the lights and everything, and Babe was over there recording and not recording, so he's to be blamed, okay? But that was really cute of the restaurant, so we're about to enjoy. Babe, you're a mess.
So
Hello. What are you doing? Tella, you're a mess. Look at you. Careful. He's so funny. Hey guys, so we are back home and Tyler is look at him. Tyler is
come on. Happy birthday. Go on, they won't hear me at the camera. Happy birthday. They're gonna hear me.
Guys, we're back home. Baby, stop doing that. No, he's tickling me. Sure. We're back home and tell it. Baby, stop tickling
Okay,
me.
that's a challenge. She have to end the vlog and me have tickles bottom.
I can't do
that. That's a good challenge. Let's go. Let's try.
Baby, no, baby. I can't do that. No, I'm gonna laugh too much.
That's okay. That's a challenge.
No.
That's a challenge. You always want
Guys,
a challenge.
we are back home. And Taylor is down for the night. He's sleeping. I can't. No, I can't do that. Can you guys tell him to leave me alone? You're going to let me wake up Tyler because I'm going to laugh too much. Look at him. For the final time. Baby, no tickle. Stop now. Guys, we're back home and Tyler is done for bed. He's knocked out sleeping because it was his bedtime by the time we get home. And I really enjoyed my birthday with this crazy one. He made me laugh all day. Look at this idiot. You have something to say? No. He made me laugh all day. He's so funny. I really enjoyed my birthday and I enjoyed dinner. We had so much fun laughing and chit-chatting. So we're just going to relax for the end of the night and chill until it's bedtime because that's bedtime. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you've watched this far and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that little red button right down the bottom of this video. Subscribe, like the video, and most importantly comment, because you know we enjoy talking to you guys, and we will see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.